Do you want to say something?
I'm thinking about it. You want to say something?
No.
Why? How come your head looks so tiny?
Because your head is big.
That's what she said.
Shut up.
Poonam Pandey, who recently got married in a private ceremony to her boyfriend Sam Bombay, was on her honeymoon cum work trip in Goa when she declared that she was being assaulted violently by her husband. She even went to the police station to lodge a complaint against her husband and had declared that her marriage was over. But now the news comes in that all seems to be well. What's happening? Check it out. Poonam Pandey seems to have patched up with her husband Sam Bombay and all is well in their marriage again. पूनम ने अपने हस्बैंड पे डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के चार्जेस लगाए थे, लेकिन अब लगता है that the couple has reconciled. Poonam had filed an FIR against her husband Sam and had alleged कि उनके हस्बैंड ने उनके साथ इतना बुरा सुलूक किया कि वो हॉस्पिटल पहुंच गई. But soon after, Sam was released on bail and the couple shared that they have reconciled and are trying to work things out. We are trying to iron out things and have more or less sorted things out. Poonam had said, while Sam had added, everything is sorted. It all got blown out of proportion. It got distorted, I would say. Poonam has now posted a new video on social media where she and her husband are striking a cozy pose और लगता है कि assault के allegations को बुला के दोनों ने सुलह कर ली है.
You want to say something?
No.
Why? How come your head looks so tiny?
Because your head is big.
पूनम ने अपने नए वीडियो को मिस्टर एंड मिसेस बॉम्बे कैप्शन किया है and she can be seen resting her head on her husband's shoulder while they chit-chat about how small her head looks compared to his. It certainly looks like things are back to normal, or at least for now, in their relationship. उनकी ये oscillating relationship लोगों को काफी confuse कर रही है because it was just weeks ago that Poonam had spoken about her marital issues in an interview and said, "This man has deleted all my pictures from his handle whereas I have not deleted anything, thinking that everything will be sorted out even now. He does this every time and removes them." She had also spoken about how she is not dependent on Sam as it is being made out in the press. I feel I am a fool after reading articles against me that I am making money out of him. Whereas the fact is that he is making money out of me by selling my videos. I don't know why people are saying all of this. Well, no marriage or relationship is perfect, but we do hope that Poonam एक violent या abusive relationship में ना रहे और अपनी safety का हमेशा ध्यान रखे.